This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
Alright, so this is the thickness of it, for those who are wondering. It's about 3 inches, 4, 5.5, give or take, rough estimate. So here's the bottom. It does definitely seem to be made pretty solid, which is a good thing. You do all have your water line holes already cut, so that's nice. You have your main drain line here, so if you need to run the hose through here, you can, through the back wall, or for mounting. Some guys will use these holes for mounting. Some guys will use these holes for water lines to run through the wall to go in through here and then connect underneath, because it goes right underneath. But it's nice. So one thing I want to point out that I really like about this sink is it's beveled and it's at an angle. So it's going to be really hard to tell in the video, but it goes down at an angle, so water that gets on the sides here will run down in here. So it's not just going to stay on top of the counter. It's going to, any water that goes off on the sides here will run down. So that's a really nice feature about this sink. Now, the only other accessories you guys get are these right in here for mounting, but you do get an installation guide, which kind of goes over everything, shows you guys exactly like how to set it up and all that fun stuff. So kind of tells you what you will expect and need and all that stuff from there. But overall, this is really nice. The quality actually seems nice. There are some scuffs on it, but I think some of these scuffs you could probably buff out. Now, of course, you know, that's just for me. You guys might get it perfect. But overall, I am actually very happy with this. I am very, very happy with this. Stay tuned for a future install video. But right out of the box, it's nice. All right, guys. Always measure before you install. So take our tape measure here. All right. All right, so across we have exactly right about 24 inches. And we take across here about 18 inches, a little bit further. Now, go ahead, do from the inward here. That's about 19.5 from inward bottom, give or take a little bit here. About 9.5, give or take a little bit, from inward bottom wall. So for the actual faucet, you're looking at about a little more than an inch. And for the drain, you're looking at about 1.5 inches, give or take a little bit, guys.